All right, we're here. Friday afternoon. Really not a bad day. Look at that. Pretty good. Um, yeah, that momentum looks strong. We popped right through that. What were we looking for even? 44.65 was our high. What were we looking for? We were looking for the upper band. 44.51. Wow, blew right through that, huh? Blew right through the 50. Looks like we're heading for the 150. 45.15 might be tomorrow. Take a look at the weekly. Oh man, look at that bar. Wow. Yeah, I think we're gonna pop up, make a little hammer tomorrow or Monday, at least next week. This is the first time I'm looking at the market for the afternoon, so that's why I'm kind of unexciting. Yeah, we may very well pop up another 40 points, 40, 50 points on Monday. Wouldn't be bad, and then make a lower high. I'd be liking that. I'm a beat. I'm a beat. I'm a beat. Bitcoin caught up. Did it break? Did it break? Oh, diggity! Look at that! Popped. Pop, pop, pop. Um, yeah, that flag triggered, and it blew right through that pennant. That's it. This is the move. The move. So hopefully, you guys found a trade. I think we saw a flag somewhere on the lower time frame, but hopefully, somebody found a trade. It blew through. So now, what we need is for it to break through this pennant. Oh, that's what we did. That's what we did. We put this pen in here. We're taking this break right here. I mean, I didn't trade it, but this is what we're looking at. We broke through the testing high. Now we got to break this previous high right here. So be tight with your stops once you approach that high, 42,715. Did we even see it today? Nah. So that's our next target, and then we have to break through this upper pennant. All right, it's good to see it's moving. We're also going to look at, let's look at the 10-year. It has this topping tail right here. Um, I bet we could look for a double top, and then it's going to come down. This baby's coming down. It's going to close this up right here. So figure it's going to drop a basis point, then turn around, take off again. That is my prediction. That's what I'm looking for. Wheat, oil, all the other stuff, just not interested in it right now. I want to see it all float back. Really just edged up today, but we're not going to take a look. So that's it, man. That's all we're looking at. Have a good weekend. I'll catch you guys first thing Monday morning.